Okay, Adjektivendungen, and this is going to be on how to tell what the date is in Germany. So when you're answering the question, der wievielte ist heute, or what day is it, you're actually using adjective endings to do that. So this question, der wievielte ist heute, is actually in the nominative. We see the verb sein and der wievielte, which is sort of like saying the how much is today. So to answer this question, you will use the word der and then put the number of the date. So let's suppose that today is the 5th or the 6th. So der 6. So der 6, the 6th, you're actually answering der 6. Tag, so the 6th day. The 6th day. So that's why we have this adjective ending here. Der 6. Tag. Now you could just say, heute ist der 6. Complete sentence. Heute ist der 6. Or you could just say der 6. Now in real life you will probably see it written like this. Heute ist der, and then probably the number 6 with a period after it. The problem is, if you don't know how to read that aloud, you'll read the sentence aloud, get to the number 6, and then just kind of sit there because you don't know what ending to use. So these are just normal endings. Heute ist der 6. And remember, that's masculine because we're talking about the 6th day. Accusative. There's another way to ask the question about what day it is. Den wievielten haben wir heute? Den wievielten haben wir heute? Literally the how much do we have today? So it's a direct object now. Same thing applies though. Heute haben wir, except this time, since it's your direct object, we're going to use den 6. Heute haben wir den 6. Now you're actually saying heute haben wir den 6. Tag, but we usually don't say that part. So heute haben wir den 6. Once again, if you see this written out, you'll often see just a number with a period there. But once again, if you don't know your adjective endings, you won't know how to read the sentence. Okay, now dative, we can also use adjective endings to say the date in the dative case. Often it will be a question like, wann ist die Party? When is the party? And usually you're going to answer on a certain date. Now, to say on a certain date, we will use an dem, and then you just put the date in, an dem 6. Now, two things. First of all, usually this gets contracted down to and sechsten, the second thing here, notice instead of an E at the end, I have en. That's because this is dative, and every adjective ending with der words in the dative case is en. So probably you would see am 6. Am 6. Okay, that's it for now. If you have more questions, send me an email. Tschüss.